But today can be seen as a setback to Uddhav Thackeray government in Maharashtra and also the Mumbai police. To an extent, also Riya Chakrabarti, because she did not want the case to be transferred out of Mumbai. The Supreme Court has now allowed the CBI to probe this mysterious death case of the late actor Sushant Singh Rajput. The verdict is 35 pages long. Country's top court has said Bihar government is competent to order CBI investigation. The apex court also directing Maharashtra government to comply, assist CBI in the probe. The Supreme Court further added, FIRs in this case will be directed to the CBI now. After the judgment, Maharashtra government lawyer told Supreme Court he wants to challenge the verdict, but the Supreme Court told him to go through the order first, saying it is not a court-mandated investigation. Amid all this, Riya Chakrabarti has also given out a statement via her lawyer Satish Manishinde, issuing a statement saying Supreme Court has given the verdict after examining all facts. Also said Riya will be joining the investigation because she herself first called for a CBI probe.
बिहार पुलिस ने केस दर्ज किया और उस पर जांच की कार्रवाई प्रारंभ हुई और फिर बाद में सुशांत जी के पिताजी की सहमति मिल गई तो हम लोगों ने सीबीआई को रेफर कर दिया और सीबीआई ने इसे स्वीकार कर लिया। तो ये जो किया गया और आज जो दूसरे कुछ लोगों ने इसके खिलाफ किया तो सारा तो आर्गुमेंट सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हो गया और माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा ये फैसला दे दिया गया। तब तो ये बिल्कुल था कि जो भी काम किया गया था बिहार में वो कानूनी रूप से किया गया था, विधि सम्मत था और अब जो माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय के फैसले का फैसला हो गया, जो निर्णय आया है, तो मुझे पूरा भरोसा है कि पूरा न्याय मिलेगा सुशांत जी को, सुशांत जी के परिवार को और उनके जितने लोग, ये सिर्फ हम ही लोग नहीं, हम देख रहे हैं कि सिर्फ बिहार नहीं, बिहार के बाहर भी लोगों की बहुत बड़ी सहानुभूति है और लोगों को ये तकलीफ थी।
ये जो मतलब एफआईआर यहाँ पर बिहार पुलिस ने किया उसको भी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सही ठहराया बिल्कुल कि
बिल्कुल ये तो कहा कि जो कुछ भी काम किया गया वो बिल्कुल जो काम किया गया वो बिल्कुल कानूनी रूप से काम किया गया, विधि सम्मत था और उनको न्याय मिलना चाहिए, इसलिए वो कार्रवाई की गई और जो बिल्कुल सही था और जेन्युइन था, ये साबित हो गया।
अब आपको
बात के लिए अब एक पूरा भरोसा है
जी
और पूरा भरोसा है कि सबकी इच्छा थी और सीबीआई ही पूरे तौर पर ठीक ढंग से इस बात की जांच करेगी और न्याय दिलवाएगी और उसको भरोसा है कि यथाशीघ्र सीबीआई इस काम को पूरा करेगी।
जी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मुख्यमंत्री जी हमसे बातचीत करने के लिए।
It was very amazing to note as to how there was an overpowering desire of the people of India that justice must be done to Sushant. I'm sure his soul will now rest in peace that a fair investigation is going to happen. I also wish to appreciate the courage and the extraordinary perseverance shown by not only the father of the late actor, but all his family members, that justice is done.
Well, today has been a great victory for the family of Sushant Singh Rajput. This is a battle which we have been fighting for more than 2 months now. There was no investigation done so far. The court has also ruled that whatever the Mumbai police was doing was having a very limited scope. It was not an investigation. The court has held that the Patna police had the power to register the FIR. The court has also held that the right of the Bihar government to refer the matter to the CBI was also justified. And the court has also said that notwithstanding the reference to the CBI by the Bihar government, the court itself also has said that using the inherent power of the court feels that CBI investigation is the right way forward in this matter. So nobody can challenge, because state of Maharashtra council specifically mentioned to the court that their right to challenge the reference by the Bihar government to the CBI should be retained, and the court said that there is no question of letting that power to be retained, and this is now a court-ordered CBI investigation, and accordingly there is no question of leaving this question open, and accordingly now that the Supreme Court has ruled that CBI will take over this investigation and also any other investigation which anybody feels could be linked to this. So
माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय ने हम लोगों ने जो स्टैंड लिया उसको प्रमाणित कर दिया कि हम लोग सही थे। इस बात की मुझे खुशी है। पूरे देश को पता चला बिहार पुलिस कुछ गलत नहीं कर रही थी, सही इंटेंशन से सही दिशा में सुशांत सिंह राजपूत को न्याय दिलाने के लिए काम कर रही थी। कुछ लोगों को बेचैनी थी, छटपटाहट रही होगी कि उनका कहीं पोल न खुल जाए, इसलिए लोगों ने इसमें बहुत ज्यादा।
We are yet to receive a copy of the order. एक बार हमें ऑर्डर की कॉपी प्राप्त होगी, हम ऑर्डर को एग्जामिन करके और उसके बाद आगे फर्दर कोर्स ऑफ एक्शन हम डिसाइड करेंगे। अभी तक कॉपी हमको प्राप्त नहीं है। वी आर अवेटिंग द ऑर्डर। वी हैव आल्सो स्पोकन टू आवर एडवोकेट्स इन सुप्रीम कोर्ट टू सेंड अस द कॉपी एट द अर्लीस्ट।
And now also the family, remember, who had been relentlessly campaigning, urging for a CBI investigation into the mysterious death case, are now overjoyed, expectedly. And they have also reacted this after the Supreme Court finally gave a green signal to CBI and the courts in Mumbai. In Patna, I beg your pardon, Sushant Singh's sister, Shweta Singh Kirti, who had been campaigning for a CBI probe, has tweeted, and I quote here, "Thank you, God, you have answered our prayers." Unquote. She also wrote that this is just the first step toward finding truth. In fact, Sushant's brother-in-law, Vishal Kirti, also took to Twitter saying there will be an unbiased inquiry now and millions of Indians who fought hard for this victory.
पूरी तरह जांच करेगी, हर मामले को जांच करेगी और पटना में जो एफआईआर हुआ है उसको उन्होंने सही बताया है। तो हम परिवार की तरफ से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं उच्चतम न्यायालय का, करोड़ों लोगों का आभार व्यक्त करते हैं, तमाम चैनल्स का हम आभार व्यक्त करते हैं जिन लोगों ने इस मुहिम को यहाँ तक पहुँचाया। और अब आशा उम्मीद जगी हुई है कि सीबीआई जांच होगी तो निश्चित रूप से सुशांत को न्याय मिलेगा। ये तसल्ली हम लोगों को हो गया है। तमाम चीजें, दूध का दूध, पानी का पानी साफ हो जाएगा, ये आशा उम्मीद हम लोग को जगा हुआ है।
हम लोग आज बहुत खुश हैं कि चलो जो भी सुशांत के जितने भी फैंस हैं, जितने भी देशवासी हैं, करोड़ों लोग, वो आज उन लोगों के दिल में एक ये आस जगी है कि अब जो भी होगा सही होगा। और ये भी लग रहा था कि देखिए हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि भगवान के घर में देर है, अंधेर नहीं है।
माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जो फैसला आया है यह हम लोगों के लिए काफी हर्ष की बात है। हम इस निर्णय का स्वागत करते हैं। जिस तरह महाराष्ट्र पुलिस अपनी जांच में टाल मटोल कर रही थी, साक्ष्य को छिपा रही थी, उससे तो हम लोगों को काफी असंतोष था। अभी जो निर्णय आया है माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, यह काफी स्वागत योग्य है और हम लोगों को भरोसा है कि सीबीआई जांच में हम लोगों को उचित न्याय मिल जाएगा।
So how has a section of the film industry responded, and those who were in the industry and close to Sushant Singh Rajput expected jubilation among the group of friends, and also countless fans, remember, with Supreme Court handing over the death probe to the CBI. Sushant's former partner Ankita Lokhande, actor Kangana Ranaut also called it a victory for truth and humanity, congratulating SSR warriors in court who battled for an impartial probe into the death. Actor Kangana Ranaut said she felt such strong force of collective consciousness for the very first time. Celebrities including actor Akshay Kumar, Shekhar Suman, Neel Nitin Mukesh, among others, also hailed Apex Court verdict. Akshay Kumar, in fact, took to social media sites saying, "May the truth always prevail."
ऐतिहासिक दिन, 11 बजे सुबह का इंतजार पूरा देश कर रहा था, मैं स्वयं कर रहा था। सुशांत सिंह के पिता, उनकी 4 बहनें, पूरी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री, पूरे मेरे फ्रेटर्निटी, सारे कलाकार ये जानना चाहते थे कि सुशांत सिंह मरे कैसे। थैंक यू माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट की आपने ऐसा निर्णय लिया। न्यायपालिका पर पूरे देश को, सारे फैंस को, 130 करोड़ की आवाम को विश्वास और पुख्ता हो गया कि यस, आवाज अगर दर्द हम लोग का निकलेगा तो न्यायपालिका, माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट इज देयर, हम लोग की आवाज सुनी जाएगी।
मुझे लगता है कि आज जितने नेता इसका विरोध कर रहे थे, मुंबई पुलिस इसका विरोध कर रही थी, मुंबई पुलिस सिर्फ इंक्वायरी कर रही थी, इन्वेस्टिगेशन नहीं कर रही थी, तो आज उन सब के मुंह पे जो है ये बहुत जोर का तमाचा है और आज सबके सुर बदले हुए हैं। आज मैंने अभी आपके एक नेता को देख रहा था आपके चैनल पे, उनके सुर बदल गए हैं। 4 दिन पहले उनके सुर कुछ और थे। तो मुझे लगता है सर्वोच्च न्यायालय का जो फैसला आया है, ये पहली सीढ़ी है। हमने सीढ़ी चलनी शुरू की है सफलता की ओर, एंड वी विल डेफिनेटली गेट इनटू सक्सेस। बिकॉज मैं 5 दिन से मीडिया के माध्यम से कह रहा हूँ कि सुशांत सिंह को जितना मैं जानता था, सुशांत सिंह आत्महत्या करने वाला व्यक्ति नहीं था। वो डेफिनेटली कहीं ना कहीं इसके पीछे कोई राज छुपा हुआ है, और वो राज जो है पूरी देश के सामने आना ही चाहिए।
I am very much satisfied that they have given this job to the CBI. And if anybody had any kind of doubt regarding the investigation, now after the inquiry of CBI, everything would be crystal clear and justice would be done. I'm sure about it.
See, there is nobody has the right to pass a comment on the whole case, but the very fact that Supreme Court has agreed to CBI inquiry, matter is sub judice, so they must have seen something in it, and I think it's left to authorities. You know, we are nobody to decide whether a person is guilty or not guilty. We try to make it a trial by media, which is not correct. The Supreme Court, the highest court of the land, has decided this is the course it should take, so one has to accept that and go with that.
All right, so first let's get a perspective on what exactly has the court said. Anisha Mathur is now joining me. She was there at the court. Anisha, many would want to know what happens now. In what ways has the court now given its approval for not only the CBI investigation, but also for the CBI court in Patna?
Well, the court has, what they've done is that they have accepted that Bihar as well as Maharashtra both had the jurisdiction to file an FIR.
Okay.
Because the suicide has taken place in Maharashtra, while the embezzlement, the misappropriation of funds charge that KK Singh has put against Riya Chakrabarti, that would affect KK Singh, who resides in Patna. So the jurisdiction to register the FIR of the Bihar police, that has been upheld by the Supreme Court. Now, what the effect of that happens is that now that the investigation has been transferred to the CBI, it is for the CBI to then consider where their evidence takes them, what kind of evidence they have, what kind of allegations they're probing. And what we've been talking to some senior lawyers, they are saying that since the effect of the crime, that is the effect of the misappropriation of funds, was in Patna, the court of jurisdiction can also be Patna, depending on exactly where the CBI, what the CBI investigation actually shows. So what we are looking at now is that after the Supreme Court verdict, the CBI, if they arrest someone, that it can take them to Patna to face the court there. However, what is also very important to note is that the judgment itself has said that because there has been such a lot of political mudslinging, because there have been such political allegations against both states, that is why the court has decided.
And perhaps that's the hope, Anisha, that political mudslinging can now get over with, so that investigation can proceed and really be unbiased. Thank you so much for tracking all the latest. In fact, just a short while ago, India Today also spoke to actors Payal Rohatgi and Madhu. Listen into what they have to say.
Your reactions to this, the Supreme Court making it very clear, ending all arguments, CBI will investigate.
Yes, I think Supreme Court has the final verdict in India because we live in a constitution where Supreme Court has to be respected. Any contempt of court is obviously not allowed. So this is a clear message to all the feminists, liberals and seculars who obviously hail the Supreme Court verdict when it is in their favor, but go against the Supreme Court verdict when it is not in their favor. They need to just shut their mouth and accept the CBI investigation. And so does the people and officials related to Maharashtra Sarkar and Maharashtra, because it's not about regional politics here. It's about getting justice for Sushant Singh Rajput.
Do you think that's going to happen, Payal? You know, the last couple of months, there has been a lot of give and take, tug of war of words between, you know, Patna and Mumbai. You know, many Bollywood personalities have been questioned for their silence. You're one person from the fraternity who has spoken out. Kangana is another. Do you think more dirty secrets are going to come out now through this investigation?
I think yes, more dirty secrets should come out because Bollywood is a place where a lot of things happen. It's just that nobody wanted to talk about it. Casting couch did exist in the times of Mahima Chaudhary and Mamta Kulkarni. It's just that at that time, nobody had access to social media, and one powerful newspaper and one powerful news channel could go against you at the behest of the producer and the director. So like nepotism has come out, casting couch has come out, underworld connections have come out. A lot of more dirty, dark secrets will come out, which will help outsiders who want to enter this industry knowing fully well where they are getting into. So there is no question of depression and mental illness if they don't get what they get in their life.
Madhu, she's a prominent actress, she's a vociferous voice, and she always speaks her heart out. She's joining us live. Madhu, first up, let's begin with your first up reaction on the CBI probe.
Yeah, thank you so much. I'm really glad that the CBI is now involved and has stepped in, because I truly believe that it has to be an independent body so that we are not mired in just this state or in any kind of politics. So CBI is here so we can finally believe that the truth will be given to us. And it is also raising public faith and confidence in our judicial system. And whatever may be the case, whatever may be, whatever comes out of it, we will accept, because we know the full investigation and the probe has been conducted.
Do you
so
think,
I'm really proud and really happy.
You know, I'm going to come to you on what you expect next, but do you think there was really something amiss with the death of Sushant Singh Rajput? You had Disha Salian's death, and within a week itself, you had Sushant Singh Rajput's death as well. Both of them alleged suicides. Do you think something doesn't add up over here, and the CBI probe is the much needed requirement of the day?
You know, any kind of speculation under these circumstances, it's not fair.
Sure.
But having said that, whatever was given to us in the media as news, we would have accepted it, and we would have felt really sorry and sad, and maybe had various theories in our mind. Was it because of Bollywood? Was it because of rejection? Was it because of depression? We don't know. So yes, it was strange that 1 week ago, his manager, ex-manager, passed away in the same way we were told. So these things didn't add up. But as public, we would not have given it a thought had somebody else more responsible or the media who took it forward and pushed it forward. And now I'm really glad. But if it was not what it was, any which way, even if it was what it was said, it was really sad, because it gives a very bad, what should I say, for young people. That.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.